Class 6 Social Science Term 2 Geography Unit 1 Resources Evaluation Revision. Good morning children. Have a good day. Let us revise. Book back evaluation. A. Match the following. Question number 1 Natural resources. Correct answer forest. Question 2 International resources. Correct answer ambergris. Question 3 Reduce, reuse, recycle. Correct answer sustainable development. Question 4 non-renewable. Correct answer minerals. Question 5 universal resources. Correct answer air. Question 6 secondary activities. Correct answer manufacturing. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. Question 1. Sugar cane is processed to make dash. Correct answer sugar. Sugar cane is processed to make sugar. Question 2. Conservation of resources is dash use of resources. Correct answer careful. Conservation of resources is careful use of resources. Question 3. Resources which are confined to certain regions are called. Correct answer localized resources. Resources which are confined to certain regions are called localized resources. Question 4 dash resources are being used in the present. Correct answer actual. Actual resources are being used in the present. Question 5 dash resources are the most valuable resources. Correct answer human. Human resources are the most valuable resources. Question 6. Collection of resources directly from nature is called dash. Correct answer primary activities. Collection of resources directly from nature is called primary activities. Exercise C. Write short notes on the following. Question 1. Renewable resources. Correct answer. Resources once consumed can be renewed with the passage of time are called renewable resources. Example air, water, sunlight. Question 2. Human resources. Correct answer. Human resources are group of individuals who use nature to create more resources. Example doctors, teachers, scientists. Question 3. Individual resources. Correct answer individual resources or resources privately owned by individuals. Example apartments. Question 4 tertiary activities. Correct answer tertiary activities are basically concerned with the distribution of primary and secondary products through a system of transport and trade. Example banking, trade, communications. Exercise D. Give brief answers for the following. Question 1. What are resources? Correct answer. Resource is anything that fulfills human needs. When anything is of some use, it becomes valuable. All resources have value. The value can be either commercial or non-commercial. Question 2. What are actual resources? Correct answer. Actual resources are resources that are being used and the quantity available is known. Example coal at Neyveli. Question 3. Define abiotic resources. Correct answer. Abiotic resources are non-living things. Land, water, air and minerals are abiotic resources. Question 4. What is sustainable development? Correct answer. If the present needs of resources are met and the conserving of resources for the future are balanced is called as sustainable development. Exercise E. Give short answers to the following questions. Question 1. Differentiate universal and localized resources. Correct answer. Universal resources. Universal resources are present in everywhere. Example sunlight and air. Localized resources. Localized resources are present in specific regions. For example, minerals. Question 2. Though human beings are natural resources, why are they classified separately? Correct answer. Education, health, knowledge and skills have made human beings a valuable resource. So human beings are classified separately. For example, doctors, teachers, scientists. Question 3. Compare national and international resources. Correct answer. National resources. National resources are resources within the political boundaries. Example, tropical rainforest region. International resources. International resources are all oceanic resources found in the open ocean. Resources found in the region can be utilized only after an international agreement. For example, ambergris. Question 4. What is the difference between man-made resources and human resources? Correct answer. Man-made resources. Natural resources are modified or processed by technology, all structures built by man. Human resources. Groups of individuals use nature to create more resources. Education, health, knowledge and skill have made this. Question 5. Write the Gandhian thought on conservation of resources. Correct answer. There is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. Mahatma Gandhi blamed human beings for depletion of resources because of over-exploitation of resources, unlimited needs of human beings. So, conservation is very important. Exercise F. Give detailed answers for the following questions. Question 1. How are natural resources classified? Explain any three with examples. Correct answer. Natural resources can be classified as based on origin, development, renewability, distribution, ownership, etc. A. On the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, resources can be classified into biotic and abiotic resources. All living resources are biotic resources. Plants, animals, and other microorganisms are biotic resources. Abiotic resources are non-living things. Land, water, air, and minerals are abiotic resources. B. On the basis of development. Based on the level of development, resources can be divided into actual and potential resources. Actual resources are resources that are being used and the quantity available is known. Example, coal mining at Neyveli. Potential resources are resources that are not being used in the present and its quantity and location are not known. For example, Marine East. C. On the basis of distribution. On the basis of distribution, resources can be classified into localized resources and universal resources. When resources are present in specific regions, they are called localized resources. Example, minerals. Some resources are present everywhere. Such resources are called universal resources. For example, sunlight, air. Question 2. How can resources be conserved? Correct answer. Conservation of resources. Careful use of resources is conservation of resources. Wisely using resources can control the depleting ratios. The sustainable development can take place when wastage and excess consumption is prevented, reusable resources are recycled, pollution is prevented, environment is protected, natural vegetation and wildlife are preserved. The easiest way to conserve resources is to follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. Question 3. What is resource planning and why it is necessary? Correct answer. Resource planning is a technique or skill of proper utilization of resources. Resource planning is necessary because resources are limited. Their planning is quite necessary so that we can use them properly and at the same time we can save them for our future generation. Resources are not only limited but also they are unevenly distributed over the different parts of the world. It is essential for the production of resources to protect them from over exploitation. Question 4. Explain the primary, secondary and tertiary activities. Correct answer. Primary activities. Primary activities are directly dependent on environment. It refers to utilization of Earth's resources such as land, water, vegetation, building materials and minerals. It includes hunting, food gathering, pastoral activities, fishing, forestry, agriculture, mining and quarrying. Secondary activities. Secondary activities add value to natural resources by transforming raw materials into valuable products. They are connected with the manufacturing, processing and construction industries. Tertiary activities. Tertiary activities include to the production and exchange. The production involves the provision of services that are consumed. Exchange involves trade, transport, and communication facilities. Exercise G. Statements and interference. Question 1. Statement. Solar energy is the best substitute for thermal energy in tropical regions. Interference 1. Coal and petroleum resources are receding. Interference 2. Solar energy will never deplete. Now choose the right answer. The options are A. Only conclusion 1 follows. B. Only conclusion 2 follows. C. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. D. Both 1 and 2 follows. Correct answer D. Both 1 and 2 follows. Question 2. Statement. If you don't conserve resources, human race may be extinct. Interference 1. You need not conserve resources. Interference 2. You need to conserve resources. Now choose the right answer. The options are A. Only conclusion 1 follows. B. Only conclusion 2 follows. C. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. D. Both 1 and 2 follows. The correct answer B. Only conclusion 2 follows. Question 3. Statement. Man switched over to agriculture. Interference 1. Food gatherers experienced scarcity of food. Interference 2. Food gathered was not nutritious. Now choose the right answer. The options are A. Only conclusion 1 follows. B. Only conclusion 2 follows. C. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. D. Both 1 and 2 follows. Correct answer A. Only conclusion 1 follows. Exercise H. Given are 3 suggestions to conserve resources. Write the 3 R's in suitable places. Question 1. Giving your childhood cycle to your neighbor. Correct answer reuse. Giving your childhood cycle to your neighbor. Reuse. Question 2. Using a flush that consumes less water. Correct answer reduce. Using a flush that consumes less water. Reduce. Question 3. Melting used plastic to lay roads. Correct answer recycle. Melting used plastic to lay roads. Recycle. Children, I hope this video is useful for your revision. Thank you.